Hey everyone, Jessica here. Today I'm gonna walk you guys through an awesome booty lifting workout. So this workout is really gonna isolate the glutes and give you that round firm look. All right, so today we're gonna do each exercise for 45 seconds on each leg. Let's get started. So we're going to start with straight leg kickbacks. We're gonna go on our elbows and then we're gonna bounce at the top and we're gonna go 45 seconds each leg. So make sure you're pointing the toes down, don't point them straight. And really squeeze the glute as you come up. And keep that nice bounce, don't come all the way down. 45 seconds. Okay, now we're going to switch legs. Toes down. Nice bounce. 45 seconds, let's go. You should really feel your booty starting to warm up. Okay, so if you need to rest a few seconds, do so, because we're gonna do a few exercises. These ankle weights I'm using, you can really get them anywhere. If you don't have them at home, what you can do is just put on your heaviest pair of shoes, and you can even do it with no weights. It'll work, it'll be just as effective. Okay, next exercise, we're going to do regular kickbacks now, no straight legs, same position. Start with the leg you started off with last time. We're going to kick back, come back in. Same thing, 45 seconds. And point those toes down. Okay, we're going to switch legs. Okay, ready? So in, back out. If you need to stop and catch your breath before the 45 seconds are up, you definitely can. Just make sure you get that full 45 seconds in of each exercise. Okay, that was 45. I'm gonna catch my breath before I go on to the next one. You can take a sip of water, stretch out your legs. Okay, so we're gonna keep up with the 45 seconds each exercise. This next one, we're gonna do knees to chest, same kickbacks, but we're gonna come all the way in as if we were going to touch our chest. Again, start off with the leg you always start off with. So we're gonna go in, all the way out, in. The reason I come down slow is just so I can really focus on the glute doing all the work and I don't just slam the weight down. Okay, now we're going on to the next leg. Ready, guys? Okay, let's go. So knees to chest. Remember, toes down. Really squeeze your glute at the top. Last one. All right. If you're doing this with me, keeping up, you should really feel those glutes nice and tight, and it's gonna give you that nice firm look. Let me go ahead and catch my breath. Alrighty, so this next exercise, also for the glutes, you're also going to feel it on your outer glute and thighs. So, fire hydrants. So basically as if you're peeing on a fire hydrant if you were a dog. So we're gonna start off same leg. We're gonna come out 90 degrees and back in. Keep it going till the 45 seconds. Okay. Switching legs. So try not to shift your body too much to the sides doing these. Try to focus on using those glutes and your outer thighs. Ready? Other leg. All right, everyone, we have one left. This is the time to wipe the sweat off, drink some water. One left, y'all ready? Okay. So for these, we're going to tap to one side, to the opposite side. Tap the side of the leg you're on, and then we're going to go up. So tap, tap, up. Okay, same thing, 45 seconds, legs straight. We're going to tap, tap, bring it up as high as you can. So tap, up. As high as you can. Now switch, other leg. Last one, guys. So this time we're gonna go opposite, other side first. Last one, guys. Keep it going, 45. All right, my glutes are burning. If you guys did it with me, let me know which of the exercises you liked the most, which one you felt the most. Drop a comment below, and I'll see you guys next time.